Oh, the county government of Kisumu intervened kasi ka jopur bedo gi lal machalo kama, like there was a time mane hailstones ogoyo Michelle area madunga ahinya aero irrigation scheme kendo ne county government to compensate gi or to the tune of about it was quite a lot of money, about 12 million or 15 million thereabout. I can confirm the figures. But my endi for consulting any okanyal watch your pronouncement kapoka consult the relevant departments and even my governor. Koro, if there will be any compensation, then that will be or made clear after proper consultations. But at the moment, okanyal watch any that will happen. But gimangeyo ne definitely the county government will intervene to ensure ne jopur manyolal okay must start from somewhere or they must go back to business and this is an emergency that they didn't foresee kora paro ni kwase consult bere serikal marwa kaka county to bro bedo gi wach manyalo miyo jopur in a fairly short time.
Mitaintiere gi wach mogik ne jopur mabende koro luo chenro makama achiel kachiel Kenneth.
Ado wacho ni county government ma Kisumu temo matek ahinya mondo mi okony jopur ma Michele. At the moment, nyoche county government onyiewo machine ma biro rego Michele kendo oseketi aero irrigation scheme wa manyo private investor mondo oran machine no keching'eyo ne the government by this nature ok nyal run business kendo investor no wa hope ni biro